revenue comparison memo draft, and then you need to save it as other names. Let's say I just save it here in the desktop, on the desktop. Okay, save it as Fitness Center Revenue Comparison Memo with comment, with comments and tracked changes. Okay. Next is to insert a comment. Position the insertion point at the location where the comment should be located. In this case, the second sentence, immediately to the left of the T in the word table. Okay. Then display the review tab. Review tab. Okay. And then click the insert comment button. Okay, insert comment or the new comment button. Insert comment, add a note about this part of the document. Okay, and then change the zoom so that the entire document and markup area are visible in the document window. Okay, right here. Once you click on the new comment button just now, yeah, so this balloon come out. Okay, this comment balloon, we call it as a comment balloon. Okay, and then what we should do next is to insert a comment. Okay, in the comment balloon, type the following comment text. Add a graph of the data below the table. Okay, add a graph of the data below the table. Okay, so that is a comment, a note, okay, to a document. If necessary, scroll to the right so that the entire comment is visible. So it's okay if your screen is large enough. Right, next is to insert another comment. Select the text where the comment should be located. In this case, the text post on our blog in the last sentence of the memo. Okay, here, click, select the text. So you have to select this text, post on our blog. Okay, click the insert comment button. Right, and then you have to type suggest posting a calendar on the blog. Okay, and then next what you need to do is to edit a comment in a comment balloon. Okay, click the first comment balloon to select it. Okay, first comment balloon, the table balloon. Alright. Okay, position the insertion point at the location of the text to edit, in this case to the left of the G in graph. Graph, left of G. Okay. Alright, and then replace the word graph with the word chart to edit the comment. Okay, replace it to the word chart. Okay. Alright, next is to reply a comment. Okay, so we as a user of the document, we can reply to whatever comments that have been posted earlier by the creator of the document. If necessary, click the comment to which you wish to reply so that the comment is selected. In this case, the first comment. Click the reply button. Okay, so this is called the reply button. All right. So this here will be the reply. Okay, so click the reply button. In the new indented comment, type the following comment text. Suggest using horizontal bars to plot the categories. Okay, suggest using horizontal bars to plot the categories. Right, next is to customize the status bar. Which one is the status bar? Okay, the one right here is called the status bar. Down here, it shows currently the page number, the words count, and the language. Alright, so if the status bar does not show a desired item, in this case the track changes indicator. Alright, so you want this track changes indicator to be visible on this status bar. Right click anywhere on the status bar to display the customized status bar menu. Right click, see? So we can make all of this item visible on the status bar. So click the item on the customized status bar menu that you want to show. In this case, track changes. So it is currently off. So we want to turn it on. Just click on it and click anywhere outside of the customized status bar so that you will remove this customize status bar menu. Okay, see here. Okay, you want it to be visible, but to turn it on, all right, to enable the track changes, you have to click this track changes indicator. Okay, click it to turn it on. All right, why it can't change? Sorry. All right. Why is it still off? Just turn it on. Alright. Okay, it does not show you that it is on here. It should be turn on. Why? Track changes off. Okay, so it is on here. It's okay. Let's just continue. Okay, track changes arrow. Okay, it actually shows turn on. It is turn on over here, but it does not show it here. Maybe because of the changes that we haven't made. All right. So if let's say you want to toggle between turn off and turn on of the track changes, you can just click on this button on the review tab, or you can just click it here, or click the uh, shortcut key over here, Control Shift plus E. Okay, right, let's make a move to track changes. Position the insertion point immediately to the left of the word that in the third sentence of the memo to position the insertion point at the location for the track change. Alright, that. Left of the word that. Where is it? that left of it, and just after table, and then type and chart and chart. See, it is already turned on. Okay, because we haven't made changes just now. All right, and then press the spacebar to insert the type text extract. Okay, next in the same sentence, delete the S at the end of the word shows. All right, so that it reads show. Okay, over here, delete the word show. Okay, now we have made changes to two words just now. If you can see the red vertical line over here, it shows that you have changed something in a document. It showed the tracked changes. Okay, so this is as the indicator. Okay, and then in the next sentence, position the insertion point immediately to the left of the word appreciation. Left of the word appreciation. Okay, type upcoming. Okay, and then press space bar. Alright, see? The track changes. This red vertical line. Alright. And then in the second sentence, double click the word all to select it. All in the second sentence. Alright, here. The first sentence actually. Type everyone. Okay, as the replacement text. So replace all with everyone. Okay. Next is to disable track changes. To turn the track changes feature off, click the track changes indicator on the status bar to turn it off. Okay, so you won't see the changes. Okay, to use the reviewing task pane, click the reviewing pane arrow. Okay, to display the reviewing pane menu here over here, then click reviewing pane vertical on the reviewing pane menu to display the reviewing task pane on the left side of the word window, vertical. So it will be here. So these are the things that you have done earlier that you have edited. Okay, so you have deleted all, you have inserted everyone. Okay, and then you have added the command, all right, and then you have inserted upcoming, the rest of it. Okay, now click the show markup button. Show markup button over here to display the show markup menu. Okay, point to balloons on the show markup menu to display the balloons sub menu. Okay, and then click show all revisions inline. Okay, show all revisions inline on the balloon sub-menu to remove the markup area from the word window and place all markups inline. Okay. Alright, now click show markup balloon, show all revisions inline. Alright. Okay, and then click close button in the reviewing task pane to close the task pane. Okay, close it. Alright, to display track changes and comments as simple markup, click the display for review error. Okay. Okay, so click on this red vertical line so that you can see all those changes that you have made. Alright, that is okay. And then To display track changes and comments and simple markup, click the display for review arrow. Display for review arrow in review tab tracking group. Display for review. Okay, and then to display the review menu, alright, here, click simple markup on the display for revenue menu. Yes, simple markup for the display for review menu to show a simple markup instead of all markups in the document. Okay, and then this is for simple markup. Okay, click the display for a review arrow and then click all markup. Okay, so all markup to display, to instruct Word to display the document with all proposed edits shown as markup. Okay, click the show markup button to display the show markup menu. Okay, and then point to balloons on the show markup menu, balloons, and then click show only comments and formatting in balloons. Show only comments and formatting in balloons so that markup area reappears with the comment balloon. So these are the comments that we have added just now. Save the memo again on the same storage location with the same file. Save the file.